So I'm going to make a responsive cards. So let's start with a make a folder. We're gonna go in desktop and make a folder. Name, let's say cards, right? So we get into the cards and we make two files called index.html and style.css. We open it in the VS Code, not Node. I've been working with Node.js lately. So these two files are open. I have increased the font size. Yeah. So let's start with the responsive card. Let's say the title is this, and here I'm gonna say h1 responsive. Yeah, just to see that this works. Also connect the style, the CSS file. Let's say yes. Then we open up the browser and we open it live so that we don't have to refresh it all the time. Open it live. This is the extension, this extension right here, so you don't have to open it, refresh your HTML file every single time. Let's say here, so as you can see it is available here. Let's look for some background colors, color palettes. Want some more? Which will be the color? I think yeah, colorhunt is a good website. We can go with light background. Let's copy it up. I'm gonna say body to be with the with the background color of this, and also let's remove the margin and padding of all the stuff. I'm gonna say margin to be 0 and padding to be 0 and box sizing border box. Alright, let's see here. Nothing is changed because there's no drastic change. So let's start with the body. So what we want is that we want 3 cards. Let's make 3 cards, right? We're gonna make a div with a class of card. Inside it we will have a heading. Let's say h1 will be the heading. Let's say car name. We are making a cards of a car, and we will have some paragraph about it. We will say something about the car. Alright, yeah, that's it. We will make 3 of them, and also we will have a image, descriptive image, right, of a car. So we will put a image container. We say image container, right? This will have an image. That's it. We can use a picture, but I'm just gonna set a background. There's nothing to worry about it. Something about the car. Okay, yeah, we need this 3 times. We have 3 times. Okay, let's see. Yeah, nothing. Okay, so as we want one card, so all the card in the same line horizontally, so we will make a div with a container. Okay, we put it right here, and let's try to style it. We will say container. We will put display as flex. This will make it side by side, right? These all in a same line, and then we will say justify content to be center, so that these come in the center of it. Let's try to add some design in cards also. So we'll say card. What's the card? We'll say card, and we will put let's give a border of 1 pixel solid gray. so that's not that. Yeah, it is visible. We will set a width of, let's say, 300 pixel. How that look? Yeah, that's good. Let's increase it by 320 pixel. Yeah, that's it. And then we're gonna say let's give a height of 400 pixel. Yeah, 420. We go with 420. Yep, that's good. All right, so here we are. Let's give some gap between all of this. So we are going to make a margin. We say margin of 10 pixel from all the side. Yep, that's good. Let's increase the border with something around, let's make it 2 pixel. Yeah, that's good. Also add some border radius of like 12 pixel. Yeah, that's gonna look good. I think 10, oh, that's a 15 pixel. Yeah, that's great. Let's also give a padding, or so if I'll give, let's, okay, so first what we are going to do, we are going to give image in each of these, right? We will have an image over here. So let's try to see how much I'm going to image container, how much width or height I should give it. Let's give a background first so that we can differ it. Wheat in color. Yeah, nothing happened. So we're gonna say height of let's say 100 pixel. How this? Yeah, 100 pixel is less. So let's increase this height. Let's go with yeah, I think this is good. So 165 would 165 is good height. Yeah, all right. So as you can see right here, we have some border radius problem. We will solve it later. So we did that, right? So we are going to add image in each one of them. So we have to select them differently, right? We're gonna, so let's just add some more class. We can say first car, first, second, and third over here. Third. All right. Okay, nothing happens. Yeah, obviously we're gonna select the first car dot first first, and I'm gonna say background URL to be, yeah, let's look up for some cars. We say cars, or we go to unsplash. We go to unsplash, right? And we look up for some cars. Let's say okay, so we need, okay, so I need a car which is in a landscape photo. This photo should be in landscape. I think this is good. So let's get this one. We're gonna say I think it's gonna create a problem, so let's open it up here. Yeah, that's a smaller image. Let's open up in the next tab and select more. BMWs. I think this one is in a landscape, but not that much. Let's find more. Mercedes. Audi, Bugatti, Aston Martin. I think this one is Audi R8. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it is Audi R8, Iron Man, right? So let's go with some more. I think what image I opened. So I have this one. This look good. And let's open some more. And let's go with this one. And what car is this? I don't know. Let's figure out. We'll figure out it. We're gonna copy this image link, right, and then we're gonna put this inside here, right? Let's see if this is visible. Oh, so it is not visible. What happened? First, I'm gonna save it also. Yes, it is visible. So let's find more, copy more cars. So we did this one. Let's copy the image link of this one. Copy image link. and let's go to the second, and we say background URL. I will paste this one over here, and the last one, which is this one, let's open, copy the image of this one also and put it in the third one. So dot third, which is CSS selector. I'm gonna say background. Oh, so it should be background image, because I'll tell you, like, let's face the problem, and then I'll tell you why you should do it. You should use background image instead of this. So we are done with the car, so let's remove this, all of these. We are also done with the palettes. Not sure, we might need it, so let's see. So cars, so put this car in the good position. First, what we have to do, we have to find the common class these all have, which is this image container, right? Yeah, so we will come over here and say background size, I think. Yeah, background size is let's say cover nothing. If you will see over here, we select this, and as you can see, that property, actually the property that is coming from the image container, as you can see right here, it is not applied, right? So why it is not applied? Because this right here background is only single background right here. This keyword is a shorthand for all these property, like background size, background no repeat, stuff like that, right? And we are only using the shorthand, so we have to specify it, like you have to say it is, if you're only using for URL, we will say image. Yeah, so now as you can see right here, all of these images are in a good position. Before this was not in a good position. So the first thing that I should have to tackle is that I think this radius over here. So what I'm going to do is that we'll find this. I'm going to say image container, right? We'll say border radius of like 10 pixel and 0 0 0, because I don't know which one is which. Right. We take this one. Twist background image, everything is good, but still, as you can see right here, this thing is not applying. We don't need this background color, right? Is it not in live position? So I just remove this, and this is still showing that there is a, yeah, so now it is applying. Okay, so the radius with that, so first this one is fixed. Let's try to do with this one. Yeah, okay, so that one is that one. So we'll 10 pixel and 10 pixel. I think this one is 15 pixel. We have to also do this with 15 pixel. So let's do it with 15 pixel, because that will overlap. Yep, that's good. But with the border, I think we are having some problem over here. Okay, let's try to make it 16 pixel so that we can fill up the gap. No, not single. We have to decrease it. Let's say 14 pixel. I don't know what I'm doing. I just simply should remove the border. And yeah, now it look good. So let's edit this document. So we're gonna say car name, this one, what is it? Okay, so this one looks like Ford. I'm not. Let's look at closely. So this one is this is a horse right here, right? So this is Ford. I think it's a Mustang. Let's try to get this car, Ford so that we can you know, give it a right name. So as you can see right here, we have 3 LED lights over here. It also have 3 LED lights. I think this is not the same, but we have this all these muscle car over here, Ford Mustang. To get the specific name of this one, is it Mustang, Ford Mustang, what it could be? Ford Mustang, Ford Shelby, I don't know. Shelby, let's see if this gives a specific name. Yeah, I think it's a Ford Shelby because there's no image rather than, yes, let's be more specific. Let's say, no, I think it's a Ford Shelby because we have this 3 LEDs over here, right? As you can see right here, 3 LEDs, and in Shelby we have this snake, but in here we it's quite difficult to, but it's same, man. Like, how can, yo, for Shelby have like a snake in between. Ford, you did us dirty, eh? It's not this one. Ford Mustang, I think. Yeah, yep, this one is Ford Mustang GT35 0R. This one is, I think so. We're gonna say just it's very hard, man. Studio, this is not going to help me at all. Let's say Ford Mustang, why not? I think let's go with Ford Shelby. I'm not a car expert, right? I'm not a car expert. Let's go with that one. We say Ford Shelby. I might be horribly wrong. If you're a car enthusiastic, I'm asking for help, but you cannot right now. So I'm just saying I'm sorry. Let's say let's figure out this one. I think by the look of the tail light, I think it's a Nissan, right? I think it's a Nissan. I cannot zoom. Can I? Let's zoom it from here then. Yep. I think this is a GTR, Nissan GTR. I think it's a Nissan. Let's go with 100 pixel, 100%. Let's say Nissan GTR. Specifically, I think it's 35. I don't know. Nissan R35. I don't know. Nissan R35. Let's go with that one. And let's look at the tail lights. Okay, let's so we have 2 round figures right over here. Yep, I think it's a Nissan GTR. See we have same lights, right? We have this sort of design over here, and we have this sort of design over here. I think it's a Nissan GTR R35. Let's say it's a GTR R35. I think it's that one. So now the last car that we have is this might be a tough one to guess. I think it's a Chevrolet right here, and we're gonna say it's Chevrolet. I don't even know the correct spelling. This looks Camaro. This might be it. Chevrolet Camaro. Let's go with Chevrolet Camaro. Ooh, this one looks very close actually, as you can see right here. Yep, I think this one is it. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm not a car enthusiast or car, but I'm gonna go with Chevrolet Camaro. We're gonna say right over here, we're gonna say what was the spelling? Chevrolet Camaro. Okay, we're done with the car names, right? We might need some description. So this doesn't look good. Either I can expand the increase the width, but it won't look good. So let's decrease the font size, or let's say we're gonna make it let's make it h3, right? I'm gonna say h3. Yep, this look good. h2 would also look good, but let's leave it. Let's make it h2. Yeah, that's look good. Yep. So we're gonna select the h2 tag. As this one is only one, I can just do it that way, but I'm just gonna say the h2 cat, which is inside the container. I'm gonna say margin. Let's give a margin top. Let's give a margin of from all the side. We have, let's say 10 pixels. Yep. Let's come up with the paragraph. We have to say something about the paragraph, right? Let's put lorem ipsum. Yeah. Or let's find something. What was the name of the car? It was Ford Shelby Wikipedia. Let's find us a quick something about this car quickly. Oh, Shelby Mustang. This is a different car, I guess. Yeah, I should have chosen the. Where's the new one? And why is it even showing over there? Right, that's for Shelby. See, 2007 or 2008 are different. Let's see more newer version of it. We are getting closer. This one, as you see, Shelby GT. This one is the right one, I guess. Yeah, we are 2009 2000. Yep, we are getting closer. So it was I guess the right car, but I don't know the exact model. Yeah, see, Ford Shelby GT 350 it is. Ford Shelby GT 500 is. So we're gonna put the Ford Shelby GT 500 Ford Shelby, so that we can be specific. 500, I think. Yep, this look good now. All right, Ford Shelby 500, right? I think I should keep it R3 so that it is not that big of a look. It is looking too bigger. Yeah, now it's good. Now we're gonna say this to be H3. Yeah, then we're gonna say what else? We have to write something about it, right? So we will find a paragraph right over there. The Shelby, the 2020 Shelby was by January. This, I think, this enough text would be fulfilling. Let's see how much it is. That's good. We are going to have some padding. Let's give a margin. Why not? Let's target the. Yeah, I'm gonna say comma. The paragraph which is inside the container, both should have. Yep, that's look good. Let's also add a button over here, which will, what it should say. Let's make an anchor tag and we'll say we will say buy, because why not? So right now it is not looking good, and these all are over there. And also give a card. Let's give a background image, background color, sorry, not image. We'll say white. Yeah, that's look good. Let's go with little bit lighter. Yep, not yeah, I think the width of this one is quite big, right? It's very wide. I think we should, or not, right? Let's go with, yeah, that's it. So what we are going to do right now is that we are going to find some material for the second car, which is GTR R35. We can say GT GTR R35. Oh, wikipedia. Let's go with this one. Let's copy it right here. Is it opening? Too late. Yep, GTR R35. The GTR Japanese blah 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 luxury sport reserved is for this one evolution of GTFM platform. That's it. Let's see how long it is. I think this is a very long paragraph. Paste. Yeah, that's a long one. So we're gonna say till Skyline, Nissan Skyline. Where are you? Nissan Skyline, right over here. Yep, that's it. Yeah, that's good. Now let's find something about Camaro. What is it? Chevrolet Camaro. What is it? Camaro. I miss Camaro. Okay. Camaro is a mid-size American automobile introduced in 1967. Let's copy it here. Yep, I think this is also very long, so we're gonna do it till Mustang. Let's see how this one look. Yes, good. We have given some padding, right? I'm gonna remove these things because it looks like I straight copied from Wikipedia. Yeah, let's design this button. We're gonna target the dot container, the anchor tag which is inside the container. We're gonna say first make it display to be block so that we can apply style. We're gonna say what is text decoration? I think text decoration to be none. Sorry, we don't have anything. I'm gonna say background color of black. How would black look? Yeah, I'm gonna say color to be white. Yes, let's say we give a padding of from top to bottom. We need like 5 pixels, and from that's it. Yes, we're gonna say text align to be center, so it is in a center. We have to say it also, right? Yes, center. Yes, looks good. So say margin to give it like from top to bottom. Let's give from top and bottom, let's give 5 pixel, and from around we also give 5 pixel from all around. Yes, not that bad. Yep. Let's give a border. Let's give a width of it, like say width of something around like 50, 45, 70, 80% of width. How this would look. Yeah, this look good, but it's not in the center, right? We're gonna say margin from top to bottom and auto from the side. Yeah, this will give it in the mid, but as you can see these are not in a straight line. So what we can do is that we have to give a fixed length of something, right? Let's give the para fixed length. Yeah, we come over here, we give this, we select the para dot container para with a height of, let's say 200 pixel. I messed it up. Let's say 200 pixel. So now the paragraph has a 200 pixel, and but this body right here, this what is it, card, this card right here have a fixed width, right? Sorry, height. So that's why I commented out. Yeah, that's look good. I think 200 pixel is a lot, so let's make it less. 200 pixel, we get it to right here. 180 pixel is good. Let's make it 180 pixel. Yeah, now it is looking. So let's give it some border radius. Where is it? border radius of, let's say, 5 pixel. How this would look. Not bad. Let's just make it 10 pixel. Yep. Let's make it 8 pixel, and yeah, this look good, right? And let's increase the font size a little bit, so that font size be like 18 pixel. Yes, that's good. We have a hover effect over this one also. Yeah, this is looking good. So now let's get a hover effect, right? We're gonna say when we hover over the cards, right? We'll say dot card dot hover. We're gonna hover over it. What we need is, we need the box shadow. Let's set the box shadow. Let's say 1 pixel, and 5 pixel blur. I think this one is blur. Nothing happened. Yeah, you have to hover over it, right? Yeah, I think that was a blur. I think I don't know. I think a density or a blur. It looked like there is some popping action is going on. Let's make it 0, so that it is in the middle of it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. So now the thing that we have to tackle is the responsive thing. As you can see, what a mess it is. Not looking good. So the thing that we can do is that we're just gonna say flex wrap. This is the easiest way we can make it responsive. We're gonna say wrap. Let's see if this work. Yep, it is working. So yeah, this is the simplest thing. See, we didn't even use the like hard part of the CS, right? Position, that and that. We didn't use anything. Yeah, that's it. You can make it like this. It is now responsive also. It is doing its job automatically. But here it is squeezing. So what we can do is that we can make it if I'll do min width to be 320 pixel, so it will not go beyond that. Yo, it is not working. Min width, right? Yeah, so now it will not squeeze. See, it is not squeezing, it is staying in the same size. But I think that these are too wider. These look too wide, so let's decrease a little bit. Let's make it 300 pixel. How about that? 300 pixel. Yeah, now this look good. So that's it.